Hey everyone, today I'm reviewing a really cute and really functional little oscillating desk fan that you can get off Amazon. As usual, I'll put the product link in the description. This is the 5-inch model, meaning that the diameter of the fan cage is 5 inches. Build quality is solid and it is very easy to use and set up. So first let's take a look at the packaging. It comes in a pretty nice little box here. I would say the three main features are that you have two choices of power, either via USB or via AA batteries, and it has the ability to oscillate, and it operates at 2 speeds. So opening up the box, the first thing you're greeted with is the fan itself, wrapped around with bubble wrap, and then is the instruction guide as well as the proprietary USB cable. So the instruction manual is pretty straightforward. It has some nice graphics to it, and it comes in various different languages. Removing the bubble wrap, I would say the first thing I notice is the fact that the base is definitely much lighter than the actual fan cage, and that's simply because most of the structure part of this is made out of plastic. The fan cage and fan blades themselves is really the main metal portions. Of course, if you were to use AA batteries, 4 of them in fact, you would put them in the base, and that will help weigh down the fan a little bit more. Most likely you'll want to use AA batteries when you want the fan to kind of stand by itself. You want to use it in other places besides somewhere near a USB port. Now, of course, if you don't want to worry about batteries, you can simply use the included proprietary USB cable, which plugs right into the back of the base right here. And then you would just have to plug the other end into a full USB-A port, whether it's on your laptop or another power source that takes in USB. Then you would turn it on or adjust the speed with this little switch here at the bottom of the base. It's kind of hard to see on camera, but I promise it's pretty easily visible in person. You see there's a 0, 1, and 2, 0 being off and 1 and 2 being the fan speeds. Then in terms of customizing the airflow direction, you can tilt the fan up and down manually, like so. And because the fan cage has very small gaps, there's pretty much no possibility of your finger slipping through. You can easily make this adjustment even when the fan blades are rotating. And the final adjustment you can do is whether or not you want the fan to oscillate. So by default, it is going to be oscillating. The knob on the back is pushed down. If you want it to stop in a particular spot, you just need to pull up on the knob. And because the fan is so light already, this is definitely a two-hand operation. Then if you wanted to oscillate once again, just push down on the knob once more. So far so great. Now for those of you who are concerned about sound, here's a quick sound test about 1 foot away from the fan. First on speed 1. And now switching to speed 2. So personally, I don't think it's loud at all. I mean, it's a really faint hum and it's nothing particularly annoying. I'd say if there's a small gripe I have about it is that once it's oscillating towards the end, you can see it kind of has like a really abrupt turn, and then you can kind of hear the motor kind of change pitch at that point as well. But that's really minor considering the price. But all in all, I can wholeheartedly recommend this little guy. I love the choice of 2 power options, so you can have it as standalone or you can just plug it into your computer when you don't want to worry about switching out batteries. The main suggestion I can think of is to just replace that proprietary USB cable with USB Type-C to make it a little bit more future-proof and give us the option of different cable lengths if we don't like the one that's included in the box. But that'll do it for this video. I hope you liked it. Please check out the product in the description if you guys are interested. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.